Welcome to Goal-Driven Millions. Today, we will be exploring 5 beginner-friendly passive income ideas. Passive income is a powerful way to generate earnings with minimal ongoing effort. It's a way to build wealth, achieve financial freedom, and unlock more time for things you love. In this guide, we'll delve into various passive income ideas specifically tailored for beginners. 1. Dividend stocks. One of the most traditional and reliable forms of passive income is investing in dividend stocks. These are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. By owning dividend-paying stocks, you earn a regular income stream without the need for active management. For beginners, starting with reputable, established companies with a history of consistent dividends is advisable. 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate has long been a proven wealth-building asset, but it traditionally required significant capital and active management. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul have revolutionized this space. These platforms allow individuals to invest in real estate projects with smaller amounts of capital. Investors can earn a portion of rental income and potential appreciation, all without the hassle of property management. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a versatile and accessible way to earn passive income online. It involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create or own the products yourself. Beginners can start by joining affiliate programs of companies whose products align with their interest or niche. 4. Create an online course. If you possess expertise in a specific field, creating and selling an online course can be a highly profitable venture. Online learning platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare provide an avenue to share your knowledge. Once you've created the course, it can be sold repeatedly, allowing you to earn passive income as students enroll. 5. Automated dropshipping business. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model that allows you to sell products without having to hold inventory. When a customer makes a purchase, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo make it relatively easy to set up a dropshipping business. While it requires careful product selection and marketing, once the systems are in place, it can run on semi-autopilot, generating passive income. Building passive income streams requires initial effort, dedication, and a clear understanding of the chosen method. It's crucial to remember that while passive income offers financial freedom, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Consistency, persistence, and a commitment to quality are key to success in the world of passive income. So, whether you're exploring dividend stocks or considering an online course, take the first step towards securing your financial future today. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Until next time, hustlers.